Have you crossed 40 and started noticing things just don't feel the same? Maybe your energy is lower, your joints feel stiffer, or workouts that used to feel easy now leave you sore for days. Here's the truth. After 40, your body changes, but that doesn't mean you have to slow down. In fact, with the right exercises, you can stay strong, mobile, and full of energy well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. In this video, I'll show you the only 5 exercises you really need after age 40. Simple, effective, and backed by science. Let's get started. 1. Squats, the foundation of strength. If you only did one exercise for the rest of your life, this might be it. Squats target your legs, glutes, core, and even your balance. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, especially in the lower body. That's why movements like sitting and standing become harder over time. Squats reverse that decline. How to do it? Keep your chest up. Push your hips back. Lower down like you're sitting in a chair. Pro tip: start with body weight squats. If needed, use a chair for support. 2. Push-ups, upper body strength and stability. Push-ups are one of the best exercises to maintain upper body strength. They work your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. And most importantly, they help preserve functional strength, like pushing objects or catching yourself during a fall. How to do it? Keep your body straight. Lower slowly. Push back up with control. Modify if needed. Do them on your knees or against a wall.
3. Walking, heart health booster. After 40, heart health becomes a top priority. You don't need intense workouts. Consistent movement is key. Walking is simple, low impact, and incredibly effective. Benefits: improves cardiovascular health, helps manage weight, reduces stress, boosts energy. Goal: aim for 20 to 30 minutes daily. Pro tip: walk fast enough that you can talk, but not sing. 4. Plank, core strength and injury prevention. Your core is more than just abs. It stabilizes your entire body. A strong core helps reduce back pain, improve posture, prevent injuries. The plank is perfect because it builds strength without straining your spine. How to do it? Keep your body in a straight line. Engage your core. Don't let your hips sag. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and build up gradually. 5. Stretching and mobility work. Stay flexible. This is the most overlooked, but one of the most important. As we age, muscles tighten and joints lose mobility. Without flexibility, even simple movements become difficult. Focus on hamstrings, hips, shoulders, lower back. Pro tip: spend at least 5 to 10 minutes daily stretching. Consistency beats intensity.